Welcome to 2068 Amenity Park Drive in beautiful Hamlin Plantation. This neighborhood is fabulous. It's close to everything: restaurants, shopping, schools, and the beach. Hamlin Plantation is a neighborhood not too deep into North Mount Pleasant, tucked away on Rifle Range Road. What's so great about this neighborhood is that it's a quick 10-minute drive to hit the beach. During high-traffic summer days, you're there in no time whatsoever. Want to head out for a walk daily before you start your workday? You can do that too and still get to work on time. You will also find that you're minutes away from a variety of restaurants such as Home Team, Bohemian Bowl, and Mex One, and shopping centers such as Costco, Publix, and Harris Teeter. Target, Walmart, and Town Center are just a few minutes away as well. The convenience of living in Hamlin is hard to beat. Mount Pleasant traffic can be tough sometimes, but living in Hamlin, you'll have multiple paths north and south on 17, Rifle Range, and Billy Swales is soon to be extended as well. You can also hop on Hungry Neck Boulevard and miss all of 17 north traffic completely. It's just a super convenient neighborhood. This new listing at 2068 Amenity Park Drive is situated in a private enclave of homes located right on the marsh of the Hamlin Sound. The views are second to none from this 4-bedroom, 4-bath home that boasts a 3-stop elevator and not a lot of yard to take care of, giving you much easier living. Out front, you'll find a full porch that overlooks the pond and a full screen porch out back to take advantage of the sound views. If you want to sunbathe and take in more views, we have a sundeck on the second level for that as well. The home is lightly lived in with a well-equipped kitchen that includes a wine fridge, farm sink, huge island, and a walk-in pantry. The primary suite is located on the first level along with one other bedroom and another full bath. There are also 2 bedrooms and bathrooms upstairs, plus a gorgeous living space and a wet bar. Come take a look. Hamlin Plantation is a vibrant community that has an amazing swim team, a large saltwater pool with a slide, 5 USTA tennis courts, a playground for the kiddos, and beautiful walking trails. There are monthly social events if you'd like to get involved, or you can find a small book club or bunko group.